Tygon Reality TV. December 15th, year 2015, and right now it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and guess what? Guess what I found? I actually found frost. Look at that. Shiny, sparkling, beautiful, beautiful frost. Right on the roof of my car. Look at that. That is so magnificent. Look at how that glitters. Look at the patterns of the ice that's forming on it. It's unbelievable. It actually has gotten cold enough for there to be frost developing in Southern California. That is unbelievable. Last year I remember filming myself a year ago, in fact, almost to the date of it being really, really cold. I didn't see frost, but I saw snow on the mountains, on the Saddleback Mountains, that came in, covered the entire mountain for only one day, and then it melted away and was gone like it never happened. And it was cold enough for it to be almost 0 degrees at sea level. Right now I'm currently at sea level, so it would have been icy. Yeah, it was cold enough for it to be cold, but almost cold enough to be icy. But right now it's icy at sea level at this time of night. I can't believe it. I can't believe that it's that cold. But the thing is, it's cold, but it's not extremely cold, because otherwise it would be to the point to where the grass would be crunchy with frost. It's not that cold, since grass is more of an insulator and other plants are more of an insulator because they need to survive from the cold. But metal on cars and glass is not an insulator to temperature, that is. Because since plants are naturally an insulator because they need to survive frost so they don't die out from it being cold, but to a certain limit, of course. But metal and glass, it's an insulator by temperature, which means it's colder. It's colder than plants itself, which means it can actually develop frost from moisture and humidity in the air touching the surfaces of glass and metal, which is equally as cold as the air, or colder than the air, in fact. And everything on the surface is sparkling and frozen. It's unbelievable. I can't believe I'm actually seeing that. It's just beautiful. I haven't seen frost like this since I was in France, and that was since almost 3 years ago. So I'm going inside of my car and I want to see the actual exact temperature, because I'm really, really curious. Let's see. Tell me to put my seatbelt on. Ah, good. Oh, that's interesting. It shows that it's 4 degrees Celsius. Oh, that's not accurate. No, that's impossible. Only 0 degrees ice can form. But like I said, in certain conditions, on surfaces are colder than the air, so it's probably measuring the inside of the car where it's warmer and it's insulated, because like right now outside is cold, but I'm sitting inside of my car and it's warmer. So that's not really a good example. That's not really a good example. I'll edit that part out, actually. I'll edit that part out. So seeing frost out here is unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. I haven't seen frost like this for like more than 3 years now, since the last time was, of course, in France, where it's always much, much more colder than this. But seeing this, wow, it's unbelievable. So unbelievable. So, yeah, I mean, today is the 15th. Winter solstice is considered the 21st of December, so it's 6 days before winter solstice, where it reaches to its peak of the northern hemisphere being farthest from the sun, being the coldest time of the year, supposedly, and of course darkest time of year, where the sun goes down the earliest and the sun's out the least amount of time during the year. And probably it's going to get colder. Probably, more than likely, going to get colder in the month of, well, definitely get colder by the 21st. Possibly, I'm not sure. But to see that and experience this, it's unbelievable. I can't believe I'm actually seeing this. The air actually smells a little bit fresher, cleaner. Slightly. I mean, a lot of, it's drier. I can definitely say drier because the humidity froze and is on surfaces that are cold enough for it to collect the humidity to freeze. So, the experience of this is quite wonderful. Till the next vlog. Side 5.